friends, today we are opening the volunteer kit what we received from the volunteer center for the FIFA World Cup 2022. The match is already started, so we're gonna open a volunteer kit.
Show the kit. So many surprises, Roshu.
So the first one is the bag, friends. You can see
Right bag. How to wear that?
this is the volunteer bag,
Okay.
and the color you can see the sky blue, right?
Yeah.
If I'm not wrong.
Sky blue and purple.
Yeah, purple.
Okay, superb. What
This
next?
is the way we used to wear. This is the handbag.
Superb, yeah. Okay, what next?
What's next? We have
Oh, what cake, huh?
a pair of shoes, black shoes.
Black shoes.
Yeah.
Show the shoes.
Look here. It's from Adidas, right?
Adidas. Every brand, everything
Yeah.
is branded.
This is from Adidas.
Also have a pair of
And we have 3 pairs of socks
socks.
from
3 pairs of
Adidas.
socks. Wow.
The purple and the sky blue color.
Okay.
The brand is very good. We can see.
All are branded itself.
Yeah, branded Adidas.
Okay. What next?
So we finished with the bag and this thing. And we have the cap, friends. Look here.
Wow.
This is the volunteer cap, FIFA.
Yes. Wear it, na? Suits you well, Roshu. Wow.
Okay. The next we have the t-shirts. We need no need to open, right?
T-shirts just to show it.
Okay. We got a FIFA t-shirt. Volunteer t-shirt this is.
Okay, nice.
Okay.
Okay.
One, I showed one full sleeve t-shirt. And what else we have?
What is this surprising?
Yeah, many are there.
Many gift samples.
Thing this is
Track pants.
good from Adidas. The volunteer it's mentioned FIFA 2022.
Yes, this is also Adidas.
Yeah, friends.
Nice.
Quite good.
What next? Hurry
The
up,
quality
Rosh.
wise. What is this? How to open? We have a jacket.
Jacket.
Yeah.
Oh, nice jacket, yeah.
We have the jacket here. So this is jacket,
Superb.
the purple color.
Okay, what next?
So what else we have?
What is this?
I really don't know. This is one more jacket, friends.
One
Good,
more
right?
Jacket. Wow, nice jacket. Okay.
This is the bigger one.
Jacket. Superb, Rosh.
Volunteer.
Superb.
The jacket is quite good, quality wise.
Okay,
Okay.
anything else?
What else we have? We showed this. We have the t-shirts also.
T-shirts also.
Yeah.
So we saw full-handed t-shirt and this is
I think half sleeve. Two pairs are there.
2 pairs of, okay, half sleeves.
This is a half sleeve.
Yes, of
Purple.
superb, yeah.
As well as sky blue color. Okay. What else we have? And one more t-shirt.
One more t-shirt.
And last but not the least, we have the final.
What's that? Blanket,
I
huh?
guess it should be the, yeah, this is the nice, right, from Adidas.
So the brand is Adidas and we
Yeah.
have almost so many gift samples.
So we may almost covered what we are gonna get, we're gonna wear during the
One more
time of
black cap,
this.
yeah.
It should be somewhere. Thank you.
About FIFA World Cup Volunteer signing off. Bye bye.
Bye bye.